Start of our final game. Pook Clothing versus Pinasia Warriors. First five, both teams, first five. Punta na po sa gitna. Final game, Pook Clothing versus Pinasia Warriors. Pinasia got the ball. Luciano to Salazar. Salazar 2 points. Pinasia got the first 2 points. Lim to number 85 to Lim. 14 seconds to shoot. Blocked by Luciano. Rebound by number 12. Luciano dribbling to Casabar. Casabar, no good. Marcelo got the ball. Pass to Aurelio. Aurelio to number Cerilla. To number 19. Turnover. Casabar got the ball. Pass to Luciano. Luciano dribbling. Luciano to Casabar. Back to Luciano. To number 12. Asuelo to Salazar. 3-pointer. No good. Rebounded by Aurelio. Lim. No good. Luciano. Dribbling. Luciano. Layup is good. 2 points. Luciano. Aurelio. Bring down the ball. Pass to Cerilla. Back to Aurelio. Aurelio, 3-pointer. It's good. Aurelio, 3. 1-point lead for Pinasia. Luciano being defended by Cerilla. Luciano. 2 points is good with the foul. Foul number 85. First personal foul. First team foul. Bonus free throw for Luciano. Bonus free throw no good for Luciano. 3-point lead for Pinasia. Cerilla. Pass to Aurelio. Aurelio! No good. Asuelo got the ball. Pinal to Salazar. Turnover. Salazar didn't get the ball. Aurelio to Cerilla. Cerilla dribbling. Cerilla. To Lim. Lim attacks. Lim to Aurelio. Aurelio fakes to number 88 Marcelo. No good. Vidal got the rebound. Vidal. Deep pass. Lim got the ball. Lim. Running. Luciano got the ball. 1v1 situation. Luciano got fouled. 2 points with a foul. Number 85, second personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for Luciano. Bonus free throw is good for Luciano. 6-point lead for Pinasia. Cerilla to Aurelio. Aurelio. Deep pass. Casabar got the ball. Pass to Vidal. Vidal to Luciano. Luciano no good. Luciano got the ball again. Luciano swipe. Lim got the ball. Lim to Marcelo. Marcelo to Aurelio to Lim. Lim. 2 points is good for Lim. 4-point lead for Venetia. Salazar to Luciano. Luciano to Salazar. Salazar, 3-pointer. No good. Marcelo got the rebound. Pass to Aurelio. Aurelio attacking. Aurelio to Lim. Lim spins. Lim lay. No good. Luciano got the rebound. Luciano running. Luciano dribbling down the ball. Luciano attacks. Layup is good. 2 points. Cerilia. Cerilia. Kick out to Lim. To Aurelio. To Maglaki. 19. Jumper is good. 2 points. Luciano. To Casabar. Casabar. 3-pointer. Is good. Casabar. 3. Number 20, Cerilia to Aurelio. Aurelio jumper is good. Mid-range is good for Aurelio. Luciano. Bring down the ball. Being defended by Cerilia. Pass to Asuelo. Asuelo to Vidal. To Salazar. 10 seconds to shoot. Back to Asuelo. Block shot. Vidal got the ball. 3 seconds. Casabar. 3-pointer is good. Casabar. 3. Change 5. Floating ball. Number 15 to Costan. Back to number 15, Castillo. Back to Castillo. To Costan. To Castillo. Castillo. No good. Thin Asia ball. Number 28 to CJ. CJ. Steal by Costan. Costan to De La Paz. De La Paz to number 18. 2 points. Pedrano. Villanueva to Domagos. Domagos attacking. Domagos. 2 points. Domagos. Castillo. To Pedrano. Back to Castillo. Didn't get the pass. To Asia ball. Domagos. To Isidro. Isidro. To Villanueva. Villanueva dribbling. Villanueva to Domagos. 14 seconds to shoot. Badong no good. Costan got the rebound. Pass to Castillo. To Costan. Costan fakes. Costan floater is good. 2 points. Costan. Villanueva to CJ. CJ. Kick out to Domagos. To Badong. 14 seconds to shoot. Badong to Isidro. Isidro fakes. 10 seconds to shoot to Villanueva. To Domagos again. 5 seconds. Domagos to Villanueva. Villanueva. 3-pointer. No good. CJ got the rebound. CJ bordering is good. 2 points. Kanyamo. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano being defended by CJ. Back to Castillo. To De La Paz. To Dizon. Dizon to Castillo. Castillo. To De La Paz. De La Paz. 3-pointer is good for De La Paz. 3 points. De La Paz. 5-point lead for Asia. CJ got double team. Turn over Asia. For floating ball. Asia. Back to the ball game. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano attacking. Pedrano 1-2. No good. Foul number 27. First personal foul. 2 free throws for Pedrano. First free throw no good for Pedrano. Second free throw is good for Pedrano. Domagos. Steal by Pedrano. Pedrano no good. Pin Asia ball. Domagos, back to Villanueva, to Isidro. Isidro, to Domagos. Domagos attacking. Domagos, no good. Isidro got the ball. Isidro fakes. Isidro to CJ. CJ, boarding again. It's good. 2 points. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano back to Castillo. Castillo to Constanto. De La Paz. De La Paz, 3-pointer again. No good. Domagos with the rebound. Villanueva, dribbling, good pass.
Correct call kami pero entering the court technical kami.
Luciano, technical. Technical, bahid ka. Technical free throw is good for Castillo. Dumagos to Isidro. Isidro, being double team. Steve Pepedrano to Castillo. Castillo attacks. Loose ball. Villanueva got the ball. CJ. 3v1. CJ layup no good. Costan pass to Jason. To Castillo. To De La Paz. De La Paz to Pedrano. Great pass. 2 points for Pedrano. 3-point lead for Venetia. CJ. Great deep by Costan. CJ got the ball again. CJ to Villanueva. Waiting for his teammate. Badong! 2 points. Layup is good for Badong. 5-point lead for Venetia. Castillo to Costan. Costan to Pedrano. Pedrano attacking. Pedrano. Traveling violation. 34.1 seconds remaining on the clock. Domagos to Isidro. Isidro to CJ. CJ, 3-pointer! No good. Costan got the rebound. 25 seconds. Costan to De La Paz. Face! Got fouled. Foul number 99. First personal foul. Second team foul. Two free throws for De La Paz. First free throw is good for De La Paz. Second free throw is good for De La Paz. 3-point lead for Venecia. Steal by Costan. 15 seconds. Costan to De La Paz. De La Paz. No good. Castillo got the ball. 10 seconds. Costan. No good. 4 seconds.
Gagi ka.
Lim!
Number 77, pro clothing player De La Paz.
Okay na kayo, Lem?
Kaya nga eh.
Pakapoy.
Hindi mo nga nahawakan, boy. Ang superhero pala. Hindi, okay na yun.
Balik na po tayo. Start of the second quarter. Pasensya po sa konting aperya. Nawala ang ating pang-live na mic. Ay nakam. Cruz. to Arguelles, no good. Pangilinan to number 17. Same ball. Ainley to Jay Santos to Padayuman. Marmeto, 2 points. Cruz dribbling down the ball. Cruz, 3-pointer is good. Cruz. 3-point lead for Venetia. Ainley. Pass to Jay Santos. Jay Santos to Marmeto. Fakes. Fouled. Number 5. First personal foul. Cervantes. Steal. Marmeto got the ball back. Marmeto jumper is good. 2 points. 5-point lead for Venetia Warriors. Cruz dribbling down the ball. Cruz. To number 22, back to Cruz. To Arguelles. Arguelles. 2 points. Got fouled. Foul number 13. First personal foul number 13. First team foul. Bonus free throw for number 5. Kobe. Bonus free throw is good for Kobe. Jay Santos dribbling. Being defended by Zaldivar. Jay Santos to Ainley. Okay na yun. Number 30 to Cervantes. 5 seconds to shoot. Block. Good D. Cruz to Zaldivar, back to Cruz. Cruz to Tevez, to Zaldivar. Zaldivar, no good. Jay Santos got the rebound. Jay Santos being defended by Nubal. Jay Santos attacking. Jay Santos, no good. Jay Santos got the ball again. Meeting for Jay Santos, no good. Cruz got the ball. Cruz dribbling. Cruz to Tevez. 2 points for Tevez. 1-point lead for Venetia Warriors. Padayuman to Cervantes. Cervantes attacking. Cervantes get the ball again. Foul number 13. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Nubal dribbling. Nubal attacking. Pass to Zaldivar. Great pass. 2 points for Zaldivar. Pok loading. Got the first lead. Papu attacking. Papu. Layup no good. Nubal. Atas, Nubal! No good. Nubal got the ball again. Nubal, 2 points. 4-point lead for Pohong Clothing. Marmeto. Dribbling. Marmeto to Papu. Papu being defended by Tevez. Papu. Three-pointer! No good. Papu got the ball again. Papu 1-2 pass to Cervantes. Cervantes to Papu again. No good. Kobe got the rebound. Saldivar. Two. Cruz. Two-pointer. No good. Saldivar got the rebound. Back to Cruz. Cruz. Three-pointer is good. For Cruz. 7-point lead for Mohawk Floating. Papu to Cervantes. No good. Foul number 30. Second personal foul. Pushing foul. Change 5. Luciano
Layo.
is on the court again. Ka-hamster.
Hirapan ng layo.
Cerelia bringing down the ball. Cerelia. Number 19 to Lim. Back to Cerelia. Vidal got the ball. Vidal. Dribbling. Vidal to Luciano. 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano. To Asuelo. Asuelo. To Casabar. Casabar. 3-pointer. Is good. Casabar. May paturo pa sa akin. Aurelio dribbling. Pass to Cerelia. Cerelia. Good move, but can't convert it. His teammate got the ball, pass to Aurelio. Aurelio to number 19, jumper is good. With a foul. Foul number 12. First personal foul. Second team foul.
Mataas to. Layo sa akin. Tabingi pa rin.
Bonus video for number 19.
Kaya mo na, bibili na tayo ng bago.
Bonus video no good for number 19. Vidal got the ball. Luciano. Luciano dribbling. Luciano running. Luciano attacking. Luciano kick out to Casabar. Casabar. Back to Luciano. 10 seconds to shoot. Luciano. Kick out to Asuelo. 5 seconds. Luciano. No good. Marcelo with the rebound. Vidal got the ball. Vidal. 2 points. Grabe league violation.
Oy, oy, oy.
Salazar to Luciano. Luciano being defended by Cerelia. Luciano. Luciano to Vidal. Vidal to Salazar. Salazar to Obi. No good. Marcelo got the rebound. Pass to Aurelio. Aurelio running. Aurelio to Lim. Lim. Layup no good. Vidal got the rebound. Pass to Casabar. Casabar to Luciano. Luciano attacking. Luciano got fouled. Foul number 88. First personal foul number 88. Third team foul. 2 free throws for Luciano. First free throw is good for Luciano. Second free throw good for Luciano. Cerelia bringing down the ball. Cerelia to Aurelio. Aurelio back to Cerelia. 14 seconds to shoot. Number 19. Kobe. Move. No good. Marcelo got the rebound. Second chance opportunity is no good. For number 88. Luciano to Salazar. Salazar back to Luciano. Luciano layup is good, 2 points. Great chemistry by Pain Asia Warriors. 1 point lead for Pahok Looting. Pain Asia got their momentum. Aurelio to Lim. Lim to pointer. No good. Serilia got the rebound. No good. Number 19 got fouled. Number 5, first personal foul. Penalty, Pain Asia. First free throw no good for number 19. Second free throw is good for number 19. Luciano, bring the ball to Casabar. Casabar, no good. Lim, alley-oop to Aurelio is good, 2 points. Luciano, dribbling on the ball. 14 seconds to shoot. Luciano. 10 seconds to shoot. Salazar didn't get the ball. Number 19, pass to Lim. Lim, steal by Luciano. Luciano, attacking. Luciano got fouled. Number 19, first personal foul. Warning for penalty for Clothing. $18 seconds on the shot clock. Luciano, no good. Lim got the rebound. Lim running. Lim to Serilia. Serilia, layup is good, 2 points. Luciano attacks. Luciano, ka-answer, no good. Lim got the ball. Lim to Serilia. Serilia, 2 points with the foul. Foul number 9. First personal foul. Penalty. Salazar got the ball. Floating ball. Aurelio to Lim. Lim from downtown. No good. Azuelo got the rebound. Azuelo to Salazar. Salazar to Luciano. Luciano, 2 points. Seconds. 5 seconds. 2 seconds. End of the first half. Our official score 47-14. 7-point lead for Pahok Looting.
Tayo'y mga bata pa, nagtatampo sa
by Pedrano. Papu to Isidro. Isidro fakes. Isidro back to Papu. 10 seconds to shoot. Papu to Luciano. Luciano to number 13. No good. Marmeto got the ball again. Marmeto. Jumper no good. Villanueva got the rebound. Villanueva got the ball again. 3 seconds violation. 8-point lead for Baok Floating. Our official score is 60-52. Castillo. To the pass back to Castillo. To Costan. Villanueva got the ball. Papo couldn't get the ball. Turnover by Pin Asia Warriors. De La Paz to Castillo. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano. Kick out to De La Paz. De La Paz attacking. De La Paz 1-2. Layup no good. Costan with the rebound. Costan. Floater no good. Pedrano with the rebound. Pedrano. Passes to De La Paz. Back to Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo. 3-pointer. Bang. It's good. Papu. Being defended by Pedrano. Papu to Luciano. Luciano, floater! No good. Costan with the rebound. Costan to Castillo. Castillo to Pedrano. Pedrano, open lane, 2 points. It's good. Time out. Team Asia Warriors. 13-point lead for Baok Floating. Official score is 65-52. Time remaining 3 minutes and 22 seconds. Baok Floating got their momentum. Back to the ball game. A whole new lineup for Baok Floating. Marmeto to Papo. Papo to Isidro. To Isidro. Isidro 3-pointer. No good. Lim with the rebound. Lim to Aurelio. Aurelio to Costan. Costan to Cerilla. Cerilla being defended by Papo. Cerilla to Lim. Lim to Aurelio. 10 seconds to shoot. Aurelio. Layup is good. 2 points for Aurelio. Luciano stops. Luciano pass to Isidro. To Papo. Papo spins. Papo drives. Papo deep. Luciano got the ball. 2 points. Luciano with the foul. Foul number 27. First personal foul. Second team foul. Bonus free throw for Luciano. Bonus free throw is good for Luciano. 12-point lead for Baok Floating. Sarilla dribbling. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Sarilla to Lim. Lim to Costan. Costan fakes. 5 seconds. Costan. Traveling violation. The best team. Papo dribbling. Papo attacking. 1-2. Kick out to Salazar. Salazar. Midi. No good. Tebes with the rebound. Tebes to Cerilla. Cerilla running. Cerilla with attacks. He spins. Shot. No good. Papu got the ball. Papu to Luciano. Back to Papu. Papu. Layup. No good. Lim to Cerilla. Cerilla to Costan. Basic 2 points. Steal. Cerilla to Lim. To Tebes. 2 points. Back to back score by Baok Floating. Vidal. Asia Warriors. Luciano. Bringing down the ball. Luciano to Marmeto. Marmeto to Salazar. Salazar back to Marmeto. Marmeto. Jumper. No good. Tevez get the ball. Tevez to Costan. To Aurelio. Aurelio being defended by Luciano. Aurelio. Behind the back. Pass to Tevez. Tevez got fouled. Foul number 13. Third personal foul number 13. 13 foul. First free throw no good for Tevez. Second free throw is good for Tevez. Luciano to Marmeto, back to Luciano. Luciano dribbling, being defended by Cerilla. Luciano to Salazar. Salazar, midi, no good. Badong! Didn't get the rebound. Paok floating ball. Cerilla. Cerilla to Costan. Costan fakes. Traveling violation. Costan. 30.9 seconds remaining in the clock. Luciano spins. Luciano. Luciano. Badong got the ball. Badong got fouled. Two free throws for Badong. First free throw no good for Badong. Second free throw is good for Badong. "15 seconds. 9 seconds. Costan fakes. Costan. No good. 5 seconds. Vidal. Layup is good to end the third quarter. We are approaching the final quarter. Our official score is 72-58. Still in favor of Paok Loading. Start of the final quarter. A whole new lineup for Paok Loading. Cruz. Dribbling. Cruz to Saldivar. Saldivar. Attacking back to Cruz. Cruz. Lupal. Steal by Badong. Foul number 19. Second personal foul number 19. First team foul. Luciano back to Badong. Badong being defended by Cruz. Badong spins to Domagos. Domagos attacking. Domagos got blocked by number 19. Blocked. Second chance opportunity is good. "12-point lead for Paok Loading. Cruz to Saldivar. Saldivar, the border is good. Bang! Three. Luciano. Too much pass. Turnover by Big Asia. Cruz being down the ball. Cruz to Marcelo. To Nubal. Nubal attacks. Nubal. 2 points, no good. Dumagos got the ball. Turnover Dumagos. 15-point lead for Pook Clothing. Official score is 75-60. Cruz. 3-pointer. No good. Number 19 got the lead rebound. Same ball. 14 seconds on the shot clock. Cruz. To Saldivar. Saldivar fakes. Saldivar jumper is good. 2 points for Saldivar. Luciano attacking. Luciano. Foul number 28, first personal foul. Second team foul, substitution. Luciano to CJ. CJ, floater, no good. The rebound by Marcelo. Saldivar to Cruz. Cruz, back to Saldivar. 14 seconds to shoot, Saldivar to Cruz. Marcelo, jumper is good. Jay Santos to Luciano. Luciano to Badong. Badong attacking to Dumagos. To Jay Santos. CJ Canyamo, 2 points. Cruz. Surveying the deep. Pass to Saldivar. Saldivar. Dribbling. Attacking. Saldivar. No good. Substitution. Pinasia Warrior ball. Luciano. CJ. No good. Number 19 rebound. Nubal. No good. Rebounded by Vidal. Vidal to Jay Santos. Jay Santos being defended by Nubal. Foul. Foul number 28. Second personal foul. Third team foul. Luciano to Cruz. Luciano. Foul number 7, first personal foul. Warning for penalty for Clothing. Marmeto to Luciano. Back to Marmeto. 10 seconds to shoot. Marmeto to Luciano. Foul. Number 88. Substitution for Clothing. Number 88, second personal foul. Penalty. Timeout for Clothing. Back to the ball game. Penalty, 2 free throws for Luciano. First free throw is good for Luciano. Second free throw is good for Luciano. Cruz being defended by Jay Santos. 14 seconds to shoot. Cruz dribbling. 10 seconds to shoot. Cruz to number 19. Number 19, Midi. No good. Saldivar with a rebound. 10 seconds to shoot. Nubal being defended by Vidal. 5 seconds. Vidal got the ball. Vidal to Jay Santos. Jay Santos running to Vidal. Vidal to Marmeto. Marmeto takes. Marmeto to Vidal. Turn over. Saldivar got the ball. Saldivar to Nubal. Nubal to number 88. No good. Number 88 again. Is good. 2 points. Luciano bringing down the ball. Luciano to Marmeto. Marmeto from downtown. No good. Rebounded by number 19. Nubal being defended by Jay Santos. Nubal dribbling. Nubal attacking. Nubal. Happening violation. Substitution. 20-point lead for Bohawk Floating. Biggest lead of the game by Bohawk Floating. Luciano. Dribbling. Luciano to Jay Santos. Jay Santos. Deep pass. Dizon got the ball. Pass to Nubal. Nubal attacking. Nubal. 2 points with the foul. Foul number 99. Second personal foul number 99. Bonus free throw for Nubal. Bonus free throw, no good for Nubal. Luciano being defended by Saldivar. Pass to Marmeto. Marmeto to Jay Santos. Jay Santos layup is good, 2 points. Nubal dribbling. Deep pass. Single. Substitution. CJ in as well out. Papo in. Jay Santos out. 15 seconds on the shot clock. Marcelo pass to Saldivar. Back to Nubal. Nubal being defended by Nubal. Nubal attacking. Nubal. Bam. Nubal. Offensive foul. Third personal foul. Number 28. Substitution. Lim in. Nubal out. Luciano being defended by Saldivar. Luciano. Luciano to Papu. Papu attacking. 1-2. Layup no good. Dizon got the rebound. Castillo to Lim. To Castillo. Castillo to Marcelo. Marcelo Kobe, no good. Panamo with the rebound. Luciano running. Luciano bumps. Luciano spins. Luciano below. There is good. 2 points. What a move by Luciano. Lim. Surveying the D. Back to Castillo. Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Lim. Lim being defended by Papu. 5 seconds to shoot. Lim looking for his teammate. Traveling called. Substitution. Vidal in. Badong out. Substitution. De La Paz in. Saldivar out. Marmeto to Luciano. Luciano to CJ. CJ layup no good. CJ got the rebound again no good. Marcelo with the rebound. Marcelo. Pass to Lim. To Castillo. Castillo to De La Paz. De La Paz to Lim. 10 seconds to shoot. Lim being with the hand by Papu. Lim step back to Dizon. 3 seconds violation. Papu to Luciano. Luciano bring down the ball. Luciano being defended by Lim. Pass to Marmeto. Marmeto on the paint. 2 points for Marmeto. Boarding is good. 13-point lead to Bohawk Floating. De La Paz. 14 seconds to shoot. To Castillo. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo to De La Paz. De La Paz, Steven Vidal, Marmeto got the ball. Marmeto running, pass to Luciano. Luciano didn't get the ball. Too much force on that pass. Substitution. Timeout. With Asia Warriors. 13-point lead for Pohawk Clothing. Our official score is 83-17. Time remaining 2 minutes and 46 seconds. Back to the ball game. Castillo to Kobe. Kobe to Lim. Thirteen seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Foul number 13. Fourth personal foul number 13. Second team foul. 14 seconds on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Kobe. Jumper is good for Kobe. 16-point lead. 15-point lead for Pohawk Clothing. Villanueva to CJ Kagama. CJ. Kobe shot is good. 2 points. 13-point lead for Pohawk Clothing again. Last 2 minutes. Marmeto got the ball. Foul number 5. Second personal foul. Penalty. 2 free throws for Marmeto. First free throw is good for Marmeto. Second free throw is good for Marmeto. Lim to De La Paz. De La Paz being defended by Vidal. 14 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Castillo. 5 seconds to shoot. Castillo to Lim. Lim. Marmeto got the ball. Marmeto to Luciano. Open lane. Luciano, 2 points. Easy 2 points. 9-point lead for Pohawk Clothing. Lim being defended by Villanueva. Lim to Castillo to Kobe. Kobe. 10 seconds to shoot. Dizon, 2 points. Reverse day is good. What a menace. Villanueva to Marmeto. Marmeto, laundry. No good. Lim with a rebound. Lim to De La Paz. De La Paz. Get fouled by number 28. Second personal foul for number 28. Third team foul. First free throw is good for number 85. Second free throw is good for number 85. Attacking pa din po tayo, both teams, kahit pa natapos na. Luciano attacking. Luciano, floater no good. Luciano got the ball again. Luciano to Binaleba. Back to Luciano. Luciano, three-pointer. No good. Dizon with the rebound. Aurelio. 30 seconds. Same ball. End of the final quarter. Our official score, 89-76. Pook Loading got the W. Still undefeated. Pook Loading. Both teams, bago po umuwi, picture po muna tayo. Thank you so much. At Day 4 ng F1BL Season 3 Papawis Division